Dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well today. I am also fine. Today we will learn a new chapter, Unit 14, Mita's Day. Okay? Dear students, look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Think about the picture for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, dear students, you are all right. This is a picture of a girl. Today we will learn about Mita's Day. So, you understand? This girl is Mita. Dear students, when you go through the text, we will face some new words. Now, you will follow me. I am writing the difficult words or new words on the blackboard. You follow me. Get up. Do you know the meaning of the word get up? Get up means rise from bed. Get up means rise from bed. ঘুম থেকে ওঠা. Get up means ঘুম থেকে ওঠা, rise from bed. Then another word, breakfast. Do you know the meaning of the word breakfast? Okay, I am ready. Breakfast means the first meal of the day. That is সকালের নাস্তা, যে খাবারটা আমরা দিনের প্রথম ভাগে খাই। That is called breakfast. Okay? Then walk means, I think someone may know, walk means hata. Suppose I am walking. Okay? Walk means hata. Return. Return, do you know? It's a new word. Return. Return means come back, ফিরে আসা. Return means come back, ফিরে আসা. Then another important word which you don't know, I think before, AM and PM. AM and PM. It's an important word. AM means anti-meridian. অর্থাৎ রাত 12টার পর থেকে দুপুর 12টা পর্যন্ত সময়কে অ্যান্টি-মেরিডিয়াম আর AM বলে আমরা সময়ের পরে আমরা AM লিখি। PM means post meridian. PM means post meridian. অর্থাৎ দুপুর 12টা থেকে রাত 12টা পর্যন্ত সময়কে আমরা PM লিখি। অর্থাৎ যখন আমরা সময়টা লিখি তখন এই সময়ের সাথে আমরা PM লিখি। ওকে? Thank you. Now, dear students, we will pronounce these words and you will follow me. You will repeat after me. Get up. You say, get up. Get up. Get up. Then breakfast. Breakfast. You notice that there are 2 syllables here. Syllable means একটি শব্দের যতটুকু অংশ একবার উচ্চারণ করতে পারা যায় তাকে আমরা সিলেবল বলি। এখানে লক্ষ্য করো, ব্রেকফাস্ট উচ্চারণ করতে আমাদের breakfast. There are two parts here. Breakfast. So when we pronounce, then we will pronounce breakfast. Breakfast. Then visit. 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 Okay. You will follow me. Visit. Visit. Thank you. Return. Return. Dear students, you follow. Here there are two syllables. Return. Return. You follow and you will repeat after me. Return. Thank you. I think you all understand you and you will all pronounce these words. Now dear students, you will open your book at page number 28, unit 14, lesson on 2. At first you will hear me. You will not repeat with me at first. I am reading. You will follow me attentively. And also you will put your fingers on the line. Mita is in class 4. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She washes her face. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then she brushes her teeth. She goes to school at 9 o'clock. She walks to her school. She visits her grandmother at 3 o'clock. Then Mita returns home at 5 o'clock. Dear students, I am reading again it. তোমাদের সুবিধার্থে এটি আমি আবার পড়ছি. You follow me and of course you will be attentive in this time. Mita is in class 4. She gets up at 6 o'clock. She washes her face. She has breakfast at 7 o'clock. Then she brushes her teeth. She goes to school at 9 o'clock. She walks to her school. She visits her grandmother at 3 o'clock. Then Mita returns home at 5 o'clock. Dear students, now you read the passage silently and your time is 5 minutes. Dear students, I think you all finished reading this text accurately. Thank you all. Dear students, look at the board. I am helping you by filling the gap by using AM or PM. At first, number 1, Mita gets up at 6 AM. Okay. Then number 2, she has breakfast at 7 AM. Number 3, she goes to school at 9 AM. Okay. Number 4, she visits her grandmother at 3 PM. Number 5, she returns home at 5 PM. Dear students, I think you all have understood the filling the blanks by using AM or PM, and I think you all have understood the difference between AM or PM. Thank you very much. Dear students, you all have heard Mita's day. That is what Mita do at 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, or that is Mita's daily routine. Now you will answer the questions about yourself. অর্থাৎ আমরা এতক্ষণ মিতার রুটিন সম্পর্কে আমরা জেনেছি, এখন আমি আমার রুটিন সম্পর্কে কিছু প্রশ্নের উত্তর দেব। ওকে, dear students, follow me. The first question is, what time do you get up? Get up. I think you all know. You get up at 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So, what will be the answer? You get up. I get up at 6 o'clock because it is the question about yourself, not Mita. So, you will answer me. I get up at 6 o'clock this way. I am helping you because it's the first question. What time do you get up? The answer is, I get up at 6 o'clock. Isn't it? Thank you. Then, when do you have breakfast? When do you have breakfast? তোমার সকালের নাস্তা তুমি কখন খাও? When do you have breakfast? The answer, I think you all know. I have breakfast at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. That you know. So the answer will be the, I have breakfast at 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock. Okay? Number 3. What time do you go to school? What time do you go to school? কোন সময় কখন তুমি স্কুলে যাও? What time do you go to school? The answer is, I am helping you. The answer is, I go to school at 9 o'clock. Isn't it, dear students? I think you all follow me. I go to school at 9 o'clock. Okay? Then, question number 4. When you return home? When do you return home? Return home. You return home when? The possible answer, I return home at 5 o'clock. I return home at 5 o'clock or 3 o'clock. If you do not go to your grandmother's house, then you go to home at 3 o'clock after breaking the school. Isn't it? So, I return home at 3 o'clock. Maybe 5 o'clock. Thank you, Sam. What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 10 p.m. or 9 p.m. or 11 p.m. etc. So the correct answer, what do you may think 8 p.m., 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. That is, I go to bed at 10 p.m. Okay? Have you understood? I think you all understood. Dear students, you already have known the answer of the questions about yourself. You all have answered me about yourself, and I am very pleased that you all answered me by following Mita's daily routine. Now, dear students, write a short composition about your daily routine by using the answer of the questions about yourself. Okay? Thank you all. Thank you very much, dear students, for cooperating me, and thank you very much for active participation with me. Thank you very much. Thank you all. Goodbye.